In this video, I'm going to go and show you how you can age restrict your account on Instagram. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. First of all, you need to go ahead and come over to Instagram, and before you go ahead and do any of these steps, you will need to go ahead and get a business account or a creator account. And then I'll show you now, if you've got a creator account, all you need to go and do is click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. And then go ahead and click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then click on settings right down there at the bottom. And then once you've clicked on settings, if you have got a creator account, as you can see, there's an option there, third from top, creator. So you've got an option for creator there, click on that. And then as you can see, there is an option there for minimum age. And then once you've clicked on minimum age, you've got a couple of options here. So you've got default, which will set the minimum age for people everywhere throughout the world. And then you've got by country, which will set a minimum age for a set country. So if I go ahead now and click on add by country, you can go ahead and search for example United Kingdom, and then go ahead and set a minimum age for that specific country. So if I go ahead and put 18 there, the minimum age for United Kingdom viewing your content would be minimum age of 18. So all you need to go ahead and do once you've gone ahead and sorted that out, guys, is click on the tick in the top right corner. And then your content will be restricted to only 18 plus in that country or throughout the world if you go ahead and set it on the default. So it's just as simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.